let us try to understand the concept of angles related to circle. In case of circle, there are lots of different kinds of concepts that we can find. And these concepts we need to understand. First of all, it is sector angle. In this concept, let me draw a circle first. This is one circle. Here, if I take 2 points, let's say these are the 2 points to consider a sector. In this sector, either the lower part or the higher part, these sector forming angle in the other part of the circle. In which way it is? Let here these two are forming an angle, this one. There is one angle I have seen. Beyond it, I can find some others also, like let's say this one forming angle at the center, not at the other part of the circle. And again, another I am drawing which is moving up to the center part. Let's say this is the center, and up to the center, this is the angle. Now, here, some of the things we can see in this case. First of all, we'll be able to say, let these angle, this is the 2 points A and B, they are forming angle at the sector, at the part of the circle, and their angle formation, this is the angle. Let me consider this angle is theta. If this angle is theta, that means AB forming an angle theta in this larger part of the circle, then this particular angle, it will be in each point of that circle. Like another point we have taken this, let's say this is P1 point, this is P2 point. In P2 point, whenever AB formed in angle, that angle will be also theta. Means over AB, this larger part, everywhere it would remain theta. Now, so basically we can say A P1B will be equal to A P2B. Now, the angle forming at the center, this is the center point O, and AB forming angle at the center has a relation with that theta. This angle will be equal to 2 theta at the center, double of the angle formed at this part of the circle. So, next is AOB at that time will be equal to, if it is equal to theta, if I have considered this is theta, so AOB will be 2 theta. This is our sector angle concept. We can find it out. At the center, angle is double the angle formed at the part of the at the edge of the circle. Now, if I want to elaborate this one, I want to find the other smaller part of AB. That means AB sector smaller part or minor arc. In this zone, how this angle will be related. To get that, I will write again another concept, that is opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Like here, if I draw two more line, like from A, in the minor part, I am connecting by lines. And let me write this is Q. This point is Q. Then A P1 B Q or A P2 B Q are cyclic quadrilateral. Now, whenever it is cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angle That means in case of opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral, we can find it out. Sum of two angles, two opposite angles will be 180 degree. Means here we are finding one basic concept, that is A P1B, this angle plus A QB, these would be equal to 180 degree. Similarly, I can say A P2B plus A QB, these would be again 180 degree. And same thing we can apply for this angle and that angle also. Now considering this, I can find opposite angle sum is 180 degree. Now once it has given opposite angle sum is 180 degree, how I will be able to find it out? Relation between AQB and AOB. If I want to find this relation, wherever AQB also sector angle, but AOB is the angle at the center, which is the other part of the circle of AB. In this segment it is placed. So how it will be linked? Let me write it down. This AQB angle, it can be written as 180 degree minus theta. So AQB is 180 degree minus theta and AOB is 2 theta. This way it is related. And if I want to find the same side of the triangle, like AB at O, the angle form is in that side, at P1 in that side. So both are in same side. Then theta and 2 theta relation present. Same thing if I want to find it out, AQB and AOB reflects, I will be able to get the same data. What it is, AOB reflex will be that angle. Like I want to say AOB reflex angle, which is basically AOB angle. If I mention, it would be 2 theta, but reflex angle, this outer part of it. And this one will be equal to 2 times of AQB. This would be 2 times of AQB. Means if it is 180 degree minus theta, this part will be 360 degree minus 2 theta, which I can see also. So this way, the linkage of sector angles, all sector angles, that I will be able to find in circle concept.